celebration of Labor Day, the nationwide job fair of the government kicked off today in several sites in the country, including the one in Pasay, where over 11,000 job vacancies were open. Marco Sadi has more.
Thousands of job seekers flocked to Pasay City for the nationwide job fair of the Department of Labor and Employment this Labor Day. More than 11,000 job vacancies from nearly 80 companies are waiting to be filled out. In his message, Labor Undersecretary Felipe Gargo Jr. stated that the administration of President Ferdinand R. Marcos Jr. is not letting up on efforts to ease the severe impact of the conflict in the Middle East on workers. Some of the initiatives include holding job fairs and free skills training to further improve the employability of workers.
Sa espesyal na araw na ito ay hindi lamang nagtatapos sa simpleng pagbibigay ng tulong ng pamahalaan. Bagkus, layunin nating magsilbi itong panibagong simula at pagkakataon para sa ating manggagawa tungo sa disenteng trabaho, sapat na kita at mas matatag na kabuhayan. Sa ganitong paraan, may tataguyod natin ang kapanatagan at kaginhawaan ng buhay ng mga manggagawa at sa kanilang pamilya.
Some of our countrymen were hired on the spot or immediately secured jobs this Labor Day. One of them is 34-year-old Rico, who traveled all the way from Naik, Cavite. After nearly 3 months since losing his job as a housekeeper, he secured a position as an aircraft cleaner.
Napakasaya po kasi hindi ko po akalain na ganun po yung bigay sa akin na i-hired agad ng on the spot. Kasi akala ko meron pa ko initial tsaka final. Pero diniretso po sa akin na tanggap na bagay po.
He also shared his secret how he's able to secure the job quickly.
Magdasal sa Diyos kasi siya naman po magbibigay ng blessing para sa atin kung pasan ko pong bibigay.
Meanwhile, 25-year-old fresh graduate Roslyn ventured from Leyte just to find work in Manila. Before the job fair, she had submitted 10 applications to various companies. She is happy to be accepted for her first job in sales.
Na-overwhelmed po ako as direct hire po. And then, pagsasikapan ko po.
Rico and Roslyn are immensely grateful to have secured employment.
Nagpapasalamat po ako una sa Diyos tsaka sa government po, sa DOLE, sa mga ginagawa nilang mga process na ganitong job fair. Kasi malaking tulong po talaga sa mga walang trabaho, lalo na po ngayon na nagigipit po yung mga tao at walang po sa crisis.
Sa government, salamat po kasi direct hire po itong ginawa ngayon. So sa mga maghahanap ng trabaho, mag-try din kayo para kayo naman din po ang next na makaka-experience sa kagaya namin na first timer job seeker po.
Aside from the job fair, other government agencies are also present to provide free services such as skills training, mentoring for aspiring entrepreneurs, and the distribution of livelihood grants. Mark Sadi for the National TV Network for a new and better Philippines.